Thank you, Trey. All right, once again, ladies and gentlemen, if you're enjoying yourselves, make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. All right, thank you very much. Once again, we need 4 more contestants for our dance competition. Our dance competition, we have 3 songs selected for you guys. And all you gotta do is dance for the people, and they will let us know who was our winner. All right, just simple like that. Simple like that, simple as that. All right, and also we need one more participant for our hot dog eating contest. We have 5 so far. We need 1 more. If you're wanting to participate in the hot dog eating contest, you gotta go behind the stage. All right, that's our 6 contestants for our hot dog eating contest. Once again, looking for 4 more contestants. If you're wanting to dance, get your dance on, video on. Yeah? All right. All right, we got 2. All right, we need 2 more. We need 2 more contestants. 1 male, 1 female. Anybody? Somebody? Once again, we got 3. We got prizes for you. All right, prizes for our winners here. All I need is 1 more or 2 more contestants. 1 male and 1 female. Sure. 2 female. Okay, we're on our way. All right, we got 50 right here. All right, we got our 6, ladies and gentlemen. Competition, our dance competition. All right. You guys ready? So we got Mark and Jennifer. Okay. What's your names? Yeah, and then we also have Dan and Katie, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. We got our 6 contestants right here. Okay, and we also have our 6 contestants for the hot dog eating contest. All right, we are gonna dance. We're gonna give you 3 songs. Here, we're gonna mix it up. Okay, Mark. last contestants, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go, Jimmy. Here we go. Let's go, everyone. Check them out. Let's go. All right, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, according to your applause, all right, you have noise, all right, here we go. Our first contestants, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna point over him or her, okay? All right, can I get a him? Ah, how about her? Okay, all right, come here, baby. That's our first, okay, here we go. Next. I'm gonna go her and him, okay? Ready? How about her? How about him?